Nobody. Ama
Good evening everyone, thanks for joining me in this video. I am making this video on the late evening of Saturday 28th day of June 2025. Alright, recently I am glad that people are stressing on the insecurity issue in Nigeria, and I'm seeing a lot of people talking about it. Why? Because they are beginning to see that what we have been saying for years is becoming reality. Now, there is one video that a very dark man posted today, and when I saw the video, I laughed. I laughed because I thank God that such video is now circulating, because I have up to 9 videos like that. This particular video was sent to me about 5 days ago. So I am trying to verify the video very well, trying to, even the metadata they used to send it, we could not even capture the location. Because if you send me video now, if the video have not been forwarded to so many people, I will be able to detect where they filmed the video. If you send me a picture now, I will be able to tell you this is where they took the picture. I will tell you the exact location. So I can do that. But this particular video is like someone has forwarded it to another person forwarded it to another person before they sent it to me. But my metadata is showing me Yobe, that this video was filmed in Yobe. But I doubt maybe someone that sent it to me sent it from Yobe State. Now, this video is all about training. This is not the only video. There is a massive training of cells across Nigeria as I speak to you now. I mean massive training of cells across Nigeria. When you hear cells, I'm talking about camps, terrorist camps all over the country. And the people they are training, most of them are like minors. You will see them, little boys. Most of the videos from probably this week we're about to enter, I'll start posting them because I must have verified it. The reason why we do all these things is because we are trying, not that we are perfect, but we are trying to bring out accurate information, because these are sensitive issues. So on our part, we try our best just to verify one or two, not because we are perfect. Now, why am I saying this? The question that people are supposed to be asking now is, what are they training for? Are they training just to go and kidnap? No. Are they carrying out this training just because of they want to go and terrorize? No. The issue here is this. They are preparing for war. They are preparing for war. That is the sad reality that nobody wants to tell you. Nobody wants to tell you this. These people are preparing for war. So many people who are from the northern part of the Nigeria try to have contacts with them, talk with so many of them. They will tell you the reality on ground. Not only in the northern part of the country, but in the southeast, west. The game around the corner now is not the usual game that you used to see before. There is a massive training for these terrorists. Like what is going on in Edo State right now. I was talking with someone that was early in the morning today, around 11, 12 here. We were talking about the issue of people who are coming to Edo State. They are going to pave way for them. You can't stop them. It is only when people who are ready to die confront the status quo. That is the only way you can suppress them and scare them and make them to leave. All your bushes in Edo State, they are going to build horse. They are going to build anything you can even think or imagine in the bushes. They are going to come and settle there. From there, they will spread all over the south. If you think they are already there, no, you don't know. They are not there. They are not there. They have not started coming. They are coming to live in your areas. People will run and leave their ancestral land. This is a map out plan. You see, I used to say this. Nigeria is the best country to gather intelligence because the terrorists are not afraid. They are not afraid that someone is coming after them. So they communicate everything they do with their phone. They communicate it on their group chat. The other day, I was on Telegram, a group Telegram chat. I downloaded a lot of stuffs that someone is even interpreting for me because I don't understand the language. But I entered there because they are planning evil in that group. So someone is still interpreting, getting all the whole information. But I was removed on that platform because it seems someone noticed that somebody who is not among us is here. How did he come in? They don't know. They tried to make me talk. I did not. Oh, this guy is like a spy. So they removed me. But I got what I wanted. So if you understand what is going on right now, you will not even talk about 2027. I am very sad that Nigerians are talking about 2027. I am very sad. I am very sad because this shows our ignorance. This shows we've not learned anything. This shows that we don't value people who are dying. This shows that we don't value ourselves because it will still get to us. How can people be talking about 2027 when you are saying that the war is already at your corner? Oh, you thought Lagos, Abuja will save you. You are in the metropolitan city where you feel that these people won't come there. You are joking. It is because you don't know what is coming. So I actually want people to understand that there is a problem. And I will continue to say this because posterity is going to judge every one of us tomorrow. Time will come, people will say, yes, you were told. You were told. These are the issues that Ojukwu saw right from time. If you even say that they are killings today, before they were killings even more than like this. Just like today's own, we have media. So there is nothing new that is going on in Nigeria. So if you feel that you think election can make any change, go and still try your luck. Maybe it will take 10 years for you to learn. And before you can even learn, it's going to be in a hard way. In a hard way in the sense that you are going to learn by mistake that has happened to others. This is not fair. It's not fair at all. The training, the deployment, the carrying of ammunition, transporting them up and down in Nigeria freely, no one is talking about this. I rest my case. It is going to be a full-blown war. I'm not a warmonger. I'm just telling you what is. I'm telling you not rumor, but the reality, what is on ground now. I am telling you, these people are not playing. Our Nigeria security agencies, if I know the level of their intelligence, I know the level of their capacity, they can't handle this. They can't handle this. But what do I know, Seth?
Alright, so you have seen this very disturbing video. I watched this video, I was disturbed. But I want to tell you something today, Nigerians, and a lot of people might think I am crazy. But please listen to me with an open mind. You know the truth. There's nothing like Fulani headsmen. Take it from me. The Fulanis are innocent. Not the ones with the guns. The Fulanis are also innocent. I call them the government headsmen, the government terrorists. You will ask yourself that you see a lot of them in the bushes with guns. Now think about it. We did Nigeria like this now. As I talk to you now, some day for some bushes are across Nigeria, not across, within Nigeria, our boundaries. They did a practice with AK-47 rifles. Where did they get those guns from? They are in the bushes. How did those guns get to them? Who transports these guns? Who are the people that can carry guns in their cars and nobody will search them? It is only the soldier and the police and security agencies that can transport ammunitions around the country and nobody will search them. You never see where they do stop and search for military vehicle. You know they now, you decrease. For military vehicle, you can't. Ask yourself a question. How much Fulani really gets? They say Fulani get money, Fulani get money. He get plenty cows. Fulani cow, he just dey until he sell them, he no money. How much is guns? How much does it cost to transport guns, to buy bullets on a regular? Whoever is buying this thing is getting a budget from somewhere that is bigger than the whole entire Fulani community ever. There's nothing like Fulani headsmen. They just fit the stereotype. And since because Nigeria, they've already sold that idea as Fulani headsmen. They sold it out there. People bought it. And people decide to stay with that name. Spot it. Boom, Fulani headsmen. Boom, Fulani headsmen. Boom, Fulani headsmen. But guess what? It never stops. Why? Because it is not Fulani headsmen. It is the government headsmen parading themselves as Fulani headsmen. Ask yourself a question. How do they get those assault rifles with them, the AK-47s? Who transport it and give it to that large number of people? For how long would you sneak it through the lands that they will not catch you? They'll come and attack a community. The community will say, they are land grabbing. It is ethnic cleansing. There's something else. There's something else. Because make it make sense. I want to ask a question. No, they say land grabbing. Fulani are land grabbing. Think about it. Since when they say Fulani they land grab, I need somebody to show me one place where Fulani don't land grab, like literally land grab. Whereas they, by the people they can't go there. They can't start to stay inside those communities in large numbers, so they don't land grab that particular area. You think about it. To the people in Jos, to the people in Benue, they don't buy people for Jos for the longest. They tag this Fulani headsmen and the indigenous attack, ethnic cleansing and their land grabbing. But they never grabbed any land. They never grabbed any lands. Ethnic cleansing. The Fulani also lost a lot. It sounds like Very Dark Man is becoming crazy or obsessed with this topic, but it is what it is. I'm just telling you what I have investigated, and at the top of my head I can see. The Fulani men don't use the media. The Fulani men don't have a voice. Do you understand? They don't care about that lifestyle. Who do you think are the best people to use to sell this insurgency and this terrorism? Now them now. Why they know they use the Igbo headsmen? Why they know they use the Yoruba headsmen? The Hausas, a lot of them go to schools. They use the internet. Why are they not using Hausa headsmen? Why not the only people ever say they know they really do internet? They are not to the dance. Not be say they know they, if they are 100, only like 2 will get phone where they do social media. And music, they go use the Indian music up and down. And just take small videos. You know, you think about it. They just pick the ones where we say they don't know anything about technology. They don't agree go school. They pick those ones. Say na them. I don't they go too deep. I go soon leave this matter for the government because these people they craze. Next thing they target Very Dark Man. You know if you pass it to the do. But think about it today. I will tell you for free. There's nothing like Fulani headsmen anywhere. It is the government headsmen. Woo! Anyways, may God help us not to learn and learn the hard way. Don't play.